Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be unboxing the Allure Beauty Box for October 2025. So when you open it up, you always get one of these, which tells you the products inside the box, the prices, where you can find them and stuff like that. Sometimes they have like coupons, like promo codes, so you can put it in and you get like so much percent off instead of paying for the full retail price. And plus you get to try these products so before you buy them, so that's always a plus. And then so you also get this also now gift one. I guess it's always been one, but you can gift one. And then the GQ box if you have a guy, like a boyfriend, a brother, father that wants one of these. Yeah, you can give them one. So when you open up the box, it's not really full, but here, this is what it looks like inside. So this, I see a lot of sample products in here. So the first one is the Color Security Shampoo. It's 100% clean, residue free, so it leaves no residues behind to dull color, weigh hair down, or impede hair growth. And it's 75 milliliters or 2.5 ounces. So this is what it looks like. I have heard of this brand before, but I haven't tried it yet. One of the things is you can patch up your gray roots in your line of parting. I think it's called parting. Yeah, parting, my bad, sorry. Parting, and basically, I don't have that problem yet, so and I don't dye my hair, so. But this I might give away to someone, maybe like my mom or someone. So this costs $24, and that's for 250 milliliters. And so this is kind of like a travel size. So you can extend the life of your summer shade with hope from this sulfate and silicone-free shampoo that simultaneously brightens strands as it cleanses them. And it also gives you a promo code. So, yeah. So the next one is the, I don't know how to pronounce this, Nulastin Lash Follicle Fortifying Serum. It's 0.1 ounce or 3 milliliters. So this is what the packaging looks like. When you open it from the box, this is what it looks like. And is this PETA approved? I don't know if this is organic. That's what I'm trying to look for. It says women owned. That's a good thing. I don't know, I probably would have to look it up, but yeah. So when you open it, open it up. Whoops. Got it on the bed. So it's just this, it's not even like a spoolie, it's just like this little brush, and I think you just brush it onto your lash line. I don't know if you brush it on the bottom ones as well. Gonna probably have to look that up. So this is this cost $84. This product costs $84, and this is full size. And that's a lot of money for $84. So you repeat this on morning and night on clean, dry liquids. No, dry lids. Sorry, dry lids, not liquids. Lids. And yeah, I will have to let you know. So the next thing in my box is Create Your Magic Real Hair Magic Black to Pink Watery Lip Stain. So this is what it looks like. I will put a picture of it down below, because obviously this isn't doing its justice. Get out like that. Okay, so black to pink. I'll of course do a try on, so it is, so this is what it looks like. I will definitely try this on in another video, so it won't be too long. So that's what it looks like. And then so this cost $24 and for 3.5 milliliters. This is full size, or 12 ounces. And you trace outside of lips with your favorite liner before painting on a layer or two of this color changing stain. And this transforms. So the pH reactive formula works with your body chemistry to transition into a pretty pink tint. So that's gonna be interesting to try. And then, so another one is Sephora Glow Super Brightening Serum, vitamin C and vitamin E, and it's 8 milliliters or 0.27 ounces. And this is what it looks like. It's really tiny. This is like a sample size, in my opinion. And this cost $22 for 30 cents. 30 milliliters. And this is, the brand is Sephora. So yeah, this is gonna be really interesting to try. Yeah. So the next thing in my box is the Ultra Black eyeliner. So this is what it looks like. And then when you open it, so it's a pencil. So this is what it looks like. I haven't had pencil haven't used one in pretty long time. The last time I used one was probably maybe middle school. I have always used liquid eyeliner ever since high school, so yeah. And Ofra, I have their highlighter, but I haven't tried it yet, so. And this cost $13 for 0.4 ounces, and so this is definitely full size. Yeah. And then the next one is My Smile No Slip Whitening Strips, natural ingredient protection, effective whitening, enamel safe with hydroxyapatite, I can't pronounce it, aloe and green tea extract. Reduces sensitivity, remineralizes, and whitens teeth. So there's 4 strips, 2 treatments. So that's what it looks like. And then when you open it, okay, so like that. Oh, so there you have it. There's one, that's what it looks like. So this is one express treatment. I don't know the difference between these two, but I'll let you know what I think, because I definitely need to whiten my teeth. And then this cost $45.99 for 21 treatments, and there's 2 treatments included in the box. So there's that. So this is going to be really, really interesting. So yeah. And then the next thing, the last thing in my box. Oh, no, there's another thing in my box, my bad. So this is the second to last thing in my box, is the Toka Layla Eau de Perfume, 1.5 milliliters or 0.05 ounces. This is what the font looks like. Then, well, this is what the bottle's supposed to look like, but we got a sample size for a perfume. Well, one of our products is perfume, but yeah. Can't wait. It smells like sandalwoody, kind of like that. So this costs $86 for 50 milliliters. I wonder how much these sample the earthy amber stuff in here, but I don't smell the citrus or yeah in here. So yeah. But I would definitely try this, and I will let you know what my thoughts on this is. So the last thing that's in my box is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I have this product, and so basically you could get this, well, you could pick any of the 3 colors, the in top, soft brown, or medium brown, or dark brown. Those are the choices. What did I get? I got medium brown. So that's what it looks like. And then when you open this up, this is what it looks like. And then one side is this bowly. You know, you do is just brush your eyebrows out with it. And the other side is where you fill it in. So some people are not really good at filling their brows in, so some of them choose like the liquid one where you can just brush out your eyebrows. We'll fill them in that way, but yeah, that's what it looks like. I have used this product before. When I'm in a rush, I don't have time to fill in my brows, so I used the one with the liquid on it already, and you just brush your eyebrows with it. So yeah, so this cost $26 for 0.003 ounces, and they didn't give you a promo code on this one. This is the only one where you don't get a promo code. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you tried any of these products and what you guys think of this month's Allure Beauty Box. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know in the comments down below. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!